video, I do a little change up on the front of the cage. See, get a little different look. Extend the back for the birds, so them have more space there. See, them have a little more space. All right, today this bird leaving today. I carry her go down with my father and switch her with a cock bird. She's a hen. And you can't see the blue bar them so good, but them lay one egg so far. One egg. See, eh? One egg them lay so far. And these one up here, them no lay yet. Them no lay no egg yet. Yeah. And guys, I found a new farm. I found a bird. Look like him come this morning. See him there? That's a grizzle. Come here, come eat, and look like him plan to stay. So far, so good. Oh, and these on them though. The egg don't hatch yet. Don't hatch yet. But I'm anxious to see what kind of baby they're going to have. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.